welcome to a happy place, USA. Welcome once more. Um, my name is Bebe Ejame. I am here to talk about the preventions of COVID-19. I did a video of symptoms, how you can know or that you are affected or with COVID, the signs and symptoms that you have to look in order to prevent or to go for testing to watch for COVID. So this video is all about the prevention, how to prevent from getting COVID-19. They say the best way to prevent any illness is not just getting that illness. So even with COVID, the best way to prevent COVID-19 is not being exposed to COVID-19. If there are things you can do as much as possible in order to keep away from COVID 19, in order to not be exposed, these are the things and these are the best things that will help you keep away from COVID 19. So, these actions that will prevent the spread of the illness. First, wearing of masks. When they say let's put on masks, it's for our own good and the goods of those who are around us. Putting on a mask is to help you, to protect you, and you protect people that are around at your side, around you. This helps to stop the spread of COVID 19. When we keep those masks on, it will limit the transmission. It will, if I have it and I put on my mask, and people around me could be safe. So putting on that mask, it's not easy, but then let's do our own part so, as we fight together to eliminate this disease, put on your masks. Stay at least 6 feet from each other. So, when we stay 6 feet, it will limit the transmission. We don't need crowded areas. We have to be at least two soldiers away from one another. Stay 6 feet around people who don't live with you. You guys are not together in the same house. You guys are not living together. When you meet strangers, stay 6 feet away from them. Avoid crowd. If you avoid crowd, it's it is a way for you to be safe. A lot of people, when we go like that into crowds, weddings, occasions, places that there are so many people, these are places that we can easily be exposed to COVID-19. The more people in a particular place, the more likely you can contact that disease. So another thing is cleaning your hands, hand washing, hand washing, hand washing. To the healthcare team, hand washing is nothing new, and every healthcare member knows that the most important way to be safe or to keep away diseases is hand washing. Don't get to the toilet and come out. You go use the bathroom, you come out from the bathroom, you start eating. Even if it's not COVID, there are millions of other virus, there are diseases that you can pick up if you don't wash your hands. So washing of hands is essential, not just because of COVID, but now that COVID is here and hand washing has become something that everybody is aware of doing. Please wash your hands. There are two ways you can wash your hands. You can use soap and water to wash your hands and do this for at least 20 seconds. Washing of hands where you just go to the tap, you draw water and you throw water and you go away. That is not hand washing. If they show you those hands in a microscope, you will see germs on them. In order to eliminate germs, you have to take a quantity of soap, and then you rub it continuously for at least 20 seconds. And when you rub for 20 seconds, you can then rinse your hands, dry them, and discard the paper. Avoid close contact with people who are already sick is another way to prevent this virus. When someone is sick, maybe the person is exposed or the person is already suffering from the virus, we have to keep away from the person. This is the hardest part of it all with these preventive measures is keeping away, avoiding the people that are sick. One Someone is sick, and especially to those like kids, or if you are just two of you, or you are exposed and you have a little child, it becomes so difficult for you to keep away from that child, because you still have to do one or two things. But in this situation, do not forget to put on your mask. So keeping away from people is very important. You cover your cough and your sneezes with tissues, or through with tissue. When you want to sneeze, you have to cover your cough, or you can do it like this. So cover your cough. If you have a tissue, take a tissue, cover your cough, and then you go and wash. You throw it. But if you do that, you have to go and wash your hands. So it is very essential that you cover your cough when you uh, uh when you sneeze in the public or anywhere. Just make it a habit to always cover your cough, or cover your cough like that. So there are some ways that you can do that. Clean frequently, touch objects and surface daily. So when once in a while, make sure you disinfect. When we do this, when we disinfect, we keep germs and viruses away. So make sure you disinfect surfaces and objects, especially those places that we touch every day or multiple people touch. We need to do our best to make sure we clean those areas. And especially if someone is already sick, or someone is tested of COVID-19, do this disinfection every blessed day. When someone is already tested positive around you, make sure you always clean up, clean up, disinfect places. Monitor your health is another one. You have to monitor your health. You are responsible for yourself. Make sure you take care of yourself. Monitor your health. Do not just be walking, and you don't take care of your health. Taking care of your health will help in a lot of ways. When if there is something going on, it will easily be picked up, and it can easily be managed. And again, prevention, like I said, is better than cure. It is less expensive when we prevent than when we actually get the disease. So let's do our part. Try to wash your hands, try to put on your mask, stay away from others, stay 6 feet away from people, avoid crowds, and do all these things in order to help us uh, with COVID 19, to eradicate COVID 19. We will continue to do our part, as well as uh, the specialists are doing their own part. Thank you so much. Thank you to the healthcare team. Thank you to those who are working day and night to make sure that we come to an end of this COVID 19. And with God, we are sure that everything will be okay. Thank you. It was nice watching, being with you. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Do me a favor, like this page, follow my page on Facebook, A Happy Place USA, on YouTube, A Happy Place USA, on Instagram, A Happy Place USA. Thank you so much. We love you and we love to get feedbacks. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye. And to my YouTubers, you can see me sometime looking somewhere. It is because I am on YouTube and as well as on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye bye. See you on my next video coming up. Treatment of COVID-19. Watch out.